Today I wanted to go over a common question that I get about tactical arbitrage, and that question is, what membership level should I sign up for? And originally when I first started on tactical arbitrage, I would tell people just sign up for the online arbitrage portion of the program and that will be good enough. But I've changed that answer now that I know the capabilities of tactical arbitrage and everything that it can do. The nice thing with having the full suite is it's all included in one price, and that gives you the product search, the Amazon flips, the reverse search, the library search, and the wholesale search. So this is a very helpful subscription to sign up for, and I highly recommend signing up for the full suite. I know maybe in the past I said just online arbitrage, but now that I've discovered everything that tactical arbitrage can do, I highly recommend the full suite. And the nice thing with the full suite is you can have all of these searches running at once. Because I know that's a common problem that people have is they'll run a product search and they'll be like, well, I wish I could run 10 searches at once. Well, this gives you the opportunity to run 5 searches at once, and that can be very helpful. As you can see currently, I have searches in all of these different types: the products, the Amazon flips, the reverse, the library, and the wholesale. So what I want you guys to do if you are going to sign up for the full suite is to go through each and every one of these tabs and have a search running. Even if you don't sell books typically, why not run a library search and see if there's profitable books that you could find on Amazon? And then at that point, once you've found profitable books, then you can start selling them. So it can really help you expand your Amazon business and help you get into markets that you maybe wouldn't have before, like the book market or Amazon flips, for example. So Amazon flips is when you purchase an item on Amazon and then resell it on Amazon. So you're basically looking for that product on sale. You run the flip search, and when you find that product on sale, you purchase it. And you can put in different search parameters based on whether or not you want the item to be out of stock by Amazon around 50% of the time, or that's usually what I do. And then basically that can help you find products that are available to purchase on Amazon and then resell on Amazon. You may have never thought about that business model before. So this gives you a lot more opportunity, especially if you are going to already be using tactical arbitrage, the online arbitrage portion of it. I highly recommend switching to the full suite, and I'll show you exactly why. So currently I have 4 searches running. The only search that I don't have running right now is a wholesale search, but I usually do run those also. As you can see, I have currently 85 in there in the view portion of it. And so first we'll go to the product search. So I have a product search running. I'll just move myself down here. And I currently have a product search going on for Walmart.com to sell on Amazon.com, and it's scanned through 11,000 products and it's found 131 so far that would be profitable based on the filters that I put in. And then my next search that's going on right now is the Amazon flip search. So let's go to that. And for this search, I typed in the keyword Lego. And so far on this search for Amazon flips, I have checked over 3,000 products and it's found 7 that would be profitable to sell as an Amazon flip. Purchase on Amazon, then resell on Amazon. The next search that I have running is the reverse search. And with the reverse search, I currently have 5,500 products that have been checked and 2 that are profitable. I'm scanning through the top 100,000 ranks in toys. So basically you need Storefront Stalker to be able to do this. And so if you guys have not signed up for Storefront Stalker, you need Storefront Stalker to be able to use tactical arbitrage to the fullest. If you go to the link, I'm going to put a link for Storefront Stalker Pro in the description below. Sign up through that. That really will help me. And I believe you get a bit of a discount. You may not. Originally there was a 25% discount, but I don't know if that's available anymore. If not, it will help me if you guys sign up through that link, so you'll still be paying the same price if that discount is not available anymore, and it will help me a lot. So if you guys sign up for Storefront Stalker Pro, make sure you sign up through that link. Thanks a lot, guys. And yeah, so this is the reverse search that I have running right now, and then the next one is the library search, and I have that running also. So this is scanning the top 100,000 in Amazon books through their bookstore, and yeah, basically I can go to these products that have been added, view these products. Let's see what it's pulled up so far. So it has 8 books in the top 100,000 sales rank, and basically it will tell us what condition it's in, the buy price, and where we can get it from, and our profit. Of course, when it's something like this, realistically, we're not going to buy these items because you're never going to make $800 on a book sale. But yeah, it's definitely good to keep in mind that these books. I don't really sell a lot of books, but it does find me the odd book that I'll be like, okay, well, this book actually is going to be profitable enough for me to sell. And then I'll buy a bunch of it and resell it on Amazon. So definitely all 4 of these tools, and then there's also the wholesale search that's not running right now, but all 4 of these tools are very, very helpful. And yeah, so if you guys are currently signed up on the online arbitrage and only doing product searches, you guys need to switch over. Full suite is where it's at. You'll get a lot more benefit out of the tactical arbitrage program, and you don't have to pay a whole bunch more per month, and it's highly, highly worth it. I really recommend it, guys. And if you haven't signed up for tactical arbitrage yet, you guys, and you're selling on Amazon, you guys need to get onto this. I will put a link in the description below, and there's a coupon code Amazon and eBay Guru, all one word. This will all be in the description below. You sign up for it with that coupon code, you get a 10-day trial for only $1. It's gonna help you give this program a try and see if it works for your business. I don't see how it couldn't. It's literally helped my business so much. I've grown my business immensely since using tactical arbitrage, and I know you guys can do the same. Like I said, I highly recommend trying the full suite. So it's a $1 trial for 10 days, and that's for any of the different subscription types. So I recommend trying out the full suite, see what you think, run those 5 searches every day. And if you have those searches running every day, you're bound to find profitable products through tactical arbitrage. And you can always look at different stores and stuff like that. And make sure you guys have Storefront Stalker Pro. It's a one-time fee of, I believe it's $200, but it is definitely worth it. And that's the nice thing is tactical arbitrage is a monthly fee, but you pay for Storefront Stalker one-time fee of $200, and then that goes, and you can use that within tactical arbitrage forever. So it's definitely very valuable, and I highly recommend using that if you are already using tactical arbitrage, or if you are just signing up for tactical arbitrage, then you got to make sure you have Storefront Stalker Pro, because it will definitely help you with using all of these searches, because you're able to, like for example, in the reverse search, I'll show you just if you didn't have Storefront Stalker Pro, you couldn't. It's not going to show up right now because I'm running a search, but you wouldn't be able to go through the top 100,000 of each category, and you would have to manually put in ASIN numbers. So it's definitely a lot more time consuming that way, and you're never going to get the same value out of tactical arbitrage if you don't have Storefront Stalker Pro. So I definitely recommend signing up for that. I will put both links in the description below, and make sure you guys sign up for both the full suite of tactical arbitrage and for Storefront Stalker Pro. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys.